How's it going, everyone? It is the investing guy here, and today I have a video for you guys on how you can save thousands of dollars for just doing things that you were already doing, such as purchasing items that you purchase every single day. So this video is going to be a 3-step process, so make sure that you watch the whole thing. If you don't watch the whole thing, you're not going to get the full benefits that you can, and trust me, you want to get all the benefits that I have to tell you guys today. All right, so for this video, you're going to need a few different things. The first thing that you're going to need is going to be a StormX account. If you don't have a StormX account, guys, go ahead and create one. My link is down below. And then you're also going to need a credit card that does give you some cash back. I like to use my SoFi card. Not sure if you guys, there it is, that one there, that gives you 2% back on everything. It doesn't have to be the SoFi card, but if you do want to try out the SoFi card, my referral is down below, and you will get $25 that you can invest however you'd like to invest. And then the last thing that you need is going to be a debit card that does give you cash back. So these are very rare because debit cards don't really give you cash back. There's only a few that I can think of, but the one that I like to use is this Coinbase card. And again, if you don't have Coinbase, go ahead, check it out, guys. Link is down below. You get 10 bucks in Bitcoin, so might as well use that referral, get some free cash. All right, let's go ahead and get right into it. Shoo! Don't just go ahead and start spending your money like crazy. This is only, well, I would only recommend you do this with things you actually need to purchase. So for example, me, I'm not really a person that buys a lot of clothes, but right now I am going to go on a trip to Hawaii, so I do need, or not need, but I do want some Hawaiian shirts. The first thing that you need to do is go ahead and create a StormX account. It's very simple to use. You see this widget just pops up right here. And so once it pops up, you just click where you want to purchase your whatever it is that you're going to purchase. So for example, me, I'm going to purchase some clothes. So I want to purchase from Shein because they have very cheap clothes and I'm not rich. So we're going to go on to Shein. And there it is. You see that right away we are going to get 9% cash, well, crypto cash back, right? So we're going to get this back in the form of StormX tokens. Yeah, we're just going to go ahead and click that there. So that's the first step. That's the first step to this money glitch. As you can see here, it says up to 9% crypto cashback activated. So once that's activated, we are done. We're good there. And all we have to do is go ahead and go shopping. So give me a minute. I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and look for some shirts, and then I will report right back to you guys. Okay. So let me show you guys what I got here. I got 2 shirts here, some sandals, some swim trunks, and then I can explain, guys. Let's go on to the next step. All right, so very important that when you pay here, you do pay with your credit card, whatever credit card it is that you want to use. I'm going to go ahead and use my SoFi card, which is going to earn me 2% cash back. So remember, so far we have 9% cash back from the StormX, and now we're going to get an extra 2% cash back on whatever it is that we are spending, which right now it looks like it is $59.20. So we're going to go ahead and get 2% cash back from the $59.20 into our SoFi card. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll meet you guys in the next step. So here we are, guys, on the last, I just paid for my clothes on Shein with my SoFi card. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pay off my SoFi card with my Coinbase card, okay? So remember, we're at 9% cash back from StormX, and then we got an extra 2% cash back on our total from SoFi. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and get 4% cash back from our Coinbase card for simply paying off our SoFi card, right? So let's go ahead and do this. I know it sounds like a big process, but once you get the hang of this, it's actually very, very simple. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is go ahead and open up PayPal, because you can't just pay off your SoFi card with a Coinbase card through their app or anything like that. It's not going to allow you to do that. You have to pay it through a transfer or ACH transfer, whatever they call it. So they won't allow you to use a debit card, but we do have a way to go around that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. This is the important part for this step. This is the most important part, so make sure that you guys are paying attention. Go ahead and open up your PayPal, and then what we're going to go ahead and do here is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to pay your bills. So what this is going to allow us to do is this is going to go ahead and allow us to use any debit card to pay off this one here, right? I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it would be done. Let's say if we want to add a new credit card, right? So we're going to go ahead and click on credit cards here. And let's say that, well, I'm searching up for SoFi, but for this example, let's just search up Chase Bank, right? So we're going to search up Chase, and we have Chase, Commercial, Master, and Visa, and that's going to be the one that we're going to want to click, right? Then simply you just go ahead and put your 16 digits that are in the back of your credit card onto here, and it should go ahead and work. I'm not going to go ahead and put any numbers here because I don't have a Chase account or anything like that. But if you do, then you can go ahead and do that. What I went ahead and did was I searched up SoFi because, well, I have SoFi, right? And then there it is, SoFi credit cards, and then you just put in the 16 numbers onto there. So I've already done that. So let me go ahead and walk you guys through the next step. So I have my SoFi credit card here already set and done. As you can see, a few days ago, I went ahead and I paid $400 for our SoFi card. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pay those extra $60 that I just spent at Shein, right? So I'm going to go ahead and pay, I'm just going to make it nice and even. I'm going to go ahead and pay $60, right? So $60. There we go. Next, this is just a few moments. All right, and as you can see here, I've already connected my Coinbase prepaid card, as you see here, and I'm just going to use that card there to send the payment. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to my Coinbase account over here and just make sure that I do have the money on there, because sometimes I forget to re-upload this card over here, and it looks like I should have enough money to pay this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and send the payment. And just so you guys know, this usually does take 2 days, right? 2 business days. So this is not instant, so this will take a few days. So if your credit card has a due date, make sure that you're paying it off before that due date. Okay, so there we go. That's as simple as it gets. So let's do the math here. How much percent back did we get? Well, let's remember we got 9% cash back from our StormX. Then we got 2%, so we're at 11%, and then an extra 4% from over here. So we got a total of 15% back from pretty much just doing a purchase that I was already going to do. All right, guys, so that's it. That's the process. Let's go ahead and see what it was. So remember, you do need a StormX account, and it's very simple to use. Once you have StormX, that widget just pops up on the top right, and you just click on it. Very simple to use. It does everything else for you. So StormX, if you don't have one, Referral is down below. I then went ahead and I used my credit card. I like to use the SoFi card. If you don't have one, you can sign up for one down below. My referral link is down there, and you will get $25 for you to invest in whichever way that you'd like. And then the last thing that you have to do is pay off your credit card with a prepaid or a debit card through PayPal, and make sure that you're using a debit card that does give you cash back. Also, those are very, very rare. So I do like to use this Coinbase card, which gives me 4% back. All right, guys, that's it. That's a process. It's free money. It's money that's out there for you to grab. I do see myself getting thousands of dollars in cash back this year by doing this simple process. It's money that is there for you to grab, so make sure that you're taking advantage of that. So like I like to say, to the moon together. I'll catch you guys all on the next one.